This is 600 Embassy Road for 5th floor for Stonehill Group. I'm going to walk the HVAC zones for you. Right here is where the new demising wall is going to go. Notice that there is a box, PIU in the way. The controls for it looks like it's been coiled up and put on top of the unit right there. This zone feeds down to about that column, that exterior door. And it also feeds down to the curve at the glass. Dead ends there. Then there's another zone right here that feeds that. A missing supply, this slot diffuser, another slot, and another slot. So this box ends right here at the corner. There's another zone here with just 2 slot diffusers off of it. And then there's an exterior zone that starts here, runs to that column. Again, I don't see it, but all the controls, I think, are still above the coil on each unit. So this corner has another zone which feeds off of this box, and it dead ends there in the corner. No, it dead ends here. Right? And then there's another zone that picks up here. Dead ends here. This is about where the break room, small conference room is, and then the large conference room. The large conference room has a box that's relatively new. There's the control for it, feeding just these 2 slot diffusers, and that's right about where the large conference room is going to go. And then the next exterior zone picks up here. There's the control all the way down to the end at the curve of the glass. Next, there's a zone here that feeds 2 slot diffusers. Then there's one more zone in the corner that feeds 2 more slot diffusers. And 2. Then this zone we have to cut off from the rest of the space because right here is where the demising wall is going to go. I encourage all HVAC contractors to come look at this,